Here we have the Joey Pouch swaddle wrap that I invented. It was Australia's first swaddle product. I'm going to demonstrate the Joey Pouch. Simply lay it out and place baby in the centerpiece. We get this flap and wrap it over and behind baby, and the other flap over. Secure the press stud and zip around like so. It has a bottom opening zip, so you can unzip to get to baby's nappy, and that's really handy. In the middle of the night, when you don't want to disturb baby too much, you can check their nappy, change their nappy without having to unwrap them. Then simply zip the zip back up again. The Joey Pouch has been made long because you don't know the size that your baby's going to be born. So what you can do initially with the excess fabric is you can actually tuck that in to the bottom of the cot or bassinet. So what is great about the Joey Pouch is it's made from 100% knitted cotton waffle, so it has natural give in there. Baby can kick their legs, frog their legs because of the bell-shaped design. Being able to kick and frog their legs is beneficial for hip development. The other point is that baby can get to their hands if they want to. So they can suck on their fingers, suck on their hands, which helps them to self-soothe and settle back to sleep. Equally, it doesn't force baby to do that. The Joey Pouch can accommodate having baby's hands on their chest, down by their side, or up. Finally, when you handle your baby, you'll notice that there's no excess fabric at the back like there would be with a traditional muslin or blanket when using to swaddle.